So I've got a dilemma. I've got these welded bars in here, welded here. And I came up here with my grapple the other day and got the grapple stretched out too far and hooked this piece here, and it came out of there. Won't go back in because it's just too long, okay? So what my plan is, and it may or may not work, I'm going to chain this to the tractor and then push on this with a bottle jack. That should make it bow in the middle to give me to where I can put it in there and then take the tension off this and it goes back and sets in there. Broke the weld and all that. That was one of my first welding jobs. I'll show you what I did up here when I was absolutely a nobody in welding. Still am, but better than I was. So let me try this. I'm gonna try to set the camera up where you can get an angle at it, and we'll see how that goes. Well, the bottle jack didn't work. I just couldn't get a good bite on it. So I chained, like I said I was going to do, chain the middle of it to the tractor, and I just went old school on it. Got a big long piece of pipe and pried it in like that. Now it's bowed out a little bit where the chain is. But sledgehammer will take care of that. I can get it back pretty doggone straight probably. Dilemma solved. You know, all these people passing by and never dadgum one of them stopped to help me. Oh me. Anyway, it was a little tough to have to pry on it. It was all I could do to pry it. That's 3/4 sucker rod, and it don't want to bend. So it's all I could do to pry it, and then to push down on it to get it in the hole. So anyway, it got in the hole, just barely got in the lip of the hole, and I went in the tractor and let off of it, moved it up this way to take slack out of that chain. It stayed in the hole. So I'll beat it in there with a sledgehammer a little bit, but mainly nothing can get in or out. Cow can't get out rather. So whew, dilemma solved. Actually I just took that lever and pried in there, pried off of this one and straightened it out quite a bit. It ain't bad at all. I think I'll keep it just like that. All right, we're going.